Hello guys, so welcome to this fourth video. In this we will be solving the question using a for loop. So let's get started with the question. The question is reverse of a number. As the name suggests, we have a number as input and we have to print the output in reverse. So that's the question. So the note here says that we have to remove the leading zeros from the reversed number. Okay, so let's move on to the code. In this, we only have to implement the function. The input and the output printing is already been taken care of. So let's start by implementing the function. N here is an integer and it is being passed to the function reverse. So let's start coding the function. S here is used to store the elements of the reversed number. So first let's convert this, the integer n into a string. Now the reason for doing this is because we can loop over a string but not over an integer. So now we are looping over the string in reverse and appending all the elements to the array S one after the other. And in the last step, we are joining the elements of the array S with no spaces in between. And at the end, to remove the leading zeros, we are converting it to an integer. So basically, this is the code. Now, this isn't the Pythonic way to do it. Now, Python has multiple advantages over the other languages such as C and Java, in which you can do a lot of tasks by writing a small amount of code. So this is what you will do when you are writing a code in C or Java. But this isn't the Pythonic way. So what the Pythonic way is, this here is the Pythonic way. So now what this single line of code does is, first we convert the integer n into a string. Now what this does is it reverses the string n that we have created over here, and at the end we just print the integer part of it to remove the leading zeros. So now that's the complete code that we require. So let's just run it. And yes, so thank you guys for watching.